Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today's July the 18th, 2020. Here to give you all a very crucial price move update for NIO stock. You guys saw the price action yesterday in NIO stock. One analyst supposedly has caused the stock to close down almost about 15%. Now we need to really talk about how the market really operates, because based off one analyst did not cause NIO stock to go down 14%. That's the first thing you need to realize and understand when you're trying to maintain profitability in the stock market as well as anywhere else when you're in the market trying to trade. So now, before I get started into more of that information, this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, then join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see more of our price movement predictions and forecasts within the stock market. Okay, so let's talk about this real quick. Okay, now this was streaming news yesterday. It was breaking news on many of the mainstream media websites because NIO is an EV company, electric vehicle company like Tesla, and you have many people eyeing this particular space, and NIO is a part of that company. So Goldman Sachs, one analyst within Goldman Sachs, his name is HueFin. You guys can see right here. Analyst HueFin downgraded NIO stock. Pretty much he's simply saying that NIO stock has gone too far. This title is very deceiving because Goldman does not speak. The analyst within Goldman Sachs, HueFin, is the one who downgraded this company. So you're telling me that one analyst can downgrade one stock and you can see the stock plummet 14%? No, it was just time for NIO stock to go lower. And it just so happened that Fee downgraded the stock. It's not because of what he did, because everyone can see the value of NIO increasing from the beginning of June. So now, one thing I wanted to show you is the track history of HueFin. Okay, you guys could go to Tip Ranks, this website right here, and it gives you his performance profile, because it simply states that he is a workman for Goldman Sachs. He's a Wall Street analyst, and he has about 3 stars out of 5, and he covers about a plethora of other stocks that he's covering when you look at Tip Ranks. But specifically when we look at NIO, he has only done 6 ratings on this particular company. And his average profit on this stock, he's down 3%. So what gives him the ability to try to move a stock down 14%, you may ask? That's what I'm trying to get you to understand, is that the market is not moved off one man. The market is moved off one coordinator. And he or she is the one that is causing the direction of NIO stock, not HueFin. Okay. So if you follow Goldman Sachs predictions and downgrades and upgrades, if you kept HueFin's ratings on NIO stock, you'll be down 3% just right along with him, which is why it's very imperative for each and every one of you to maintain your own understanding of the market action and not to be dependent on no one else. So let's go ahead and talk about NIO stock. We're going to answer the question, is NIO stock really a sell? Because on this article from Barron's, he still has NIO stock as a hold at $7. This is his price target. So he's expecting NIO to come back down to $7 per share, which is 50% from where it is now, or around it. So let's talk about our last video that we did for NIO stock, which was on June 12th, 2020. And we've been expecting the market in NIO stock to move higher in price. So if anything, you at least could have got about 9.8% out the market in NIO stock. But it has been on a very substantial, massive movement higher in price since our video. So there's literally no excuse as to why you guys couldn't capitalize on the recent movement in NIO stock, because we told you all about it on the 11th of June. So let's just say today you're into the market and you want to exit out your position in NIO stock. from when we did our video, you'll be up 86.99% today, right now. So we had a heads up into the market way before HueFin downgraded downgraded NIO stock. So let's get rid of it. And now we need to talk about HueFin is seeing this particular stock come all the way back down to $7. That's its price target. So let's see how much of a movement to the downside NIO stock has to go. So yeah, it has about 36, almost 37% movement to the downside to go from his forecast price target. Now looking at his performance profile, I don't know if you really want to pay attention to what he has to say. Just saying. All right, so let's talk about NIO stock. I want to show you all on the weekly time frame real quick. NIO stock. And I'm going to get rid of this line here because the market is not playing it. And that's one of the things that we try to emphasize to each and every one of you. If you guys see anybody with a very confusing chart, do not listen to them. Do not pay attention to them because it's simply confusion. So what we're going to do, we're going to play with this line though. We're not going to hold it down here around $6 because NIO is trading all the way up here around 11. So this area right here, I would say around $10.25 to $10 is the area to where the trap is going to try to find some support in NIO. Now there's a lot of areas of support from FANG's price target of $7 to where we're trading at now. So I'm seeing $10, $9, and then even $8. $8 is a pretty good area of support into the market for NIO. Okay, I don't see $7, not right now, as the pinpoint location for NIO stock to come and hold. So based off the price action from 2 weeks ago, yeah, the market is giving us some weakness, but I want you all to pay attention that this particular product opened on the week of July the 6th, and then we closed pretty much exactly where we were, where we started out last week. So the market in NIO is definitely giving us some weakness. Okay, so we have a support area listed on our price chart right there around $10. It might come up here. You guys can see them. See if I can zoom in and show you. You see the top of February the 26th and then the top of March the 5th. That would be our TP location for NIO stock from where we are traded at now. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in a forecast real quick into the market in NIO, because I don't want to take too much of your time, because the market price action should not be that difficult. So like I said, maybe about another 10% market movement to the downside for NIO, and we're not going to change this forecast until we see this stock break up above $12. Okay, now we might come up there and tag it a couple of days, but we're playing this off the weekly chart, because you can see already that we literally encompassed all the work and effort from last week. It is now erased and gone. So yeah, that's one reason why we're going to play some of this weakness in NIO stock, but we're going to try to TP around $10. All right, that's going to be our TP location. I would say $10 are right there at the tops of what I mentioned earlier, around $10.50. And you guys can see that the market already came and tagged it on this 4-hour price bar. $10.46 is where the market came and tagged. So we have some upside movement to go through starting next week. I will be expecting some slight movement higher in NIO stock, but from a long-term daily to weekly perspective, we're going to try to TP this market around $10 even. All right, so you guys got questions and comments, definitely let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And yeah, before I go, this is our first area of us expecting the trap to try to bring NIO stock. But can we hit $9? Definitely, because there's a gap from the market in NIO stock from where we first came back here on July the 2nd, July the 6th. Okay, so yeah, we could break down that $10 to tag around $9. That's definitely feasible, especially if the overall market is giving us a lot of weakness. All right, so keep that in mind too. So you guys got questions or comments, as always, leave us one in the comment section of this video. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'll talk to you all on the next one.